when I initially watched it live, I was like, oh, that was Alexander's round. But no, not really. Rewatching it again, but then rewatching the fight again, no bias, no sound, no nothing. I'm gonna have to give this fight. And again, guys, I was wrong. Islam beat him 3 rounds to 2.
Танцев за блестяще проведенный поединок и о том, насколько сложно было настроить. Также чемпион получил из рук главы региона ценные подарки и памятные именные часы.
Hypothetically, you asked me my dream fight. My dream fight would be to fight George St. Pierre in a mixed martial art fight. That would be my number one choice if I had any fight. He's the best welterweight of all time, and I feel like I am, and I feel like I always felt like I can beat him. I never had a chance to show it, never had a chance to prove it, and there's not a fight I respect more than George. And yeah.